You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all the name of this virus and related associated disease. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. We've got more videos for you. We're going to learn the English pronunciation here. Chikungunya is how it's pronounced, I believe, in some languages, maybe even in Africa where it's from. I think it's pronounced chikungunya sometimes, but in English it's chicken with a schwa sound, un sound. Chikungunya, a g sound. So chikungunya virus is how to pronounce it in English. Chikungunya. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.